4-step method to high performance trading is about bulletproofing your daily routines, your executions, your skill set, your mindset, and your beliefs to execute your edge trading in live time. Building your discipline and confidence in live time is how you will be able to produce those results consistently over the long term. The 7-step daily routine for high performance traders is about developing your process, your habits, your mindset, your beliefs, your skill set to master the markets. Bulletproof yourself for success and consistency over the long term. The links are in the description box below. They're both free downloads. Let's get started. Good day, traders. Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. One of the recurring themes that I talk about each week is what setup are you hunting, and rinse and repeat, regardless of the instrument or the session that you're trading. And today we'll just review some simple concepts that show up again and again and again, and the importance of sitting on your hands and waiting instead of trying to catch all the moves in a market, hunting out the opportunities that are scalable, where trading on the days and the setups where it's easy to make money, as opposed to trading science projects and trying to catch every little move in the market and focusing on minutia, stepping back and understanding where the real opportunities are for scalable trade setups, and then hunting 2 to 3 of those a week and understanding the power of one great trade, sitting on your hands and then hunting another great trade. There are 2 types of templates in a well-engineered opportunity, either pump and dump or dump and pump. I talk about the front side of the move and the back side of the move, the escalator and the elevator, regardless whether you're going short or long. Now, the great thing about currencies, indexes, metals, and the energies is that we'll have opportunities that are trending markets where we can participate in a longer sustained trend, again, either in the long direction or the short direction. And then we'll also have weekly templates that will culminate in a pump and dump style of Monday, Wednesday, Friday template, or a dump and pump style of a Monday, Wednesday, Friday template. There can be opportunities on the front side of a move, expanding the range, and there can be opportunities on the back side of the move, reversing the range, regardless of the instrument. And that often traders, when they're focused on the little minutia and the little movements, miss out on the larger scalable opportunities that we refer to as ACB. They aren't coming back. And those are hold till close opportunities, as opposed to little movements back and forth inside of a range, catching moves, stepping back and hunting the scalable opportunities that once these start to go, are going to go to the close of the day. Understanding a couple of simple concepts. Most breakouts fail, and the trend is your friend. We can have the same patterns occurring in either direction, but the same simple concepts apply. Now, the important part is hunting out the instruments that are offering you the cleanest, simplest setups for making the easy money. Sitting on our hands, not trying to catch every little move, but stepping back and allowing the larger template to set up. And that sometimes larger moves will take time to build. And as we talked about, most breakouts fail, but there are times when some breakouts are going to succeed, and these can be the beginning of some very large moves. There's nothing new under the sun, though. I talk about Peter Brand, I talk about classical charting behaviors, classical charting patterns, horizontal rectangles, and measured move range expansions. Just simple 100% expansions of horizontal consolidations. Classical charting, Edwards and McGee, Schabacker, Peter Brandt, concepts that have been around since the beginning of markets. Regardless of anything new, modern technology, etc., the same behaviors occur over and over and over again because it's an expression of human behavior in the markets. People often want to know, oh, what instrument is this, and what instrument is that, or what time should I get in, and what the entry is and the exit. But the simple concept is it doesn't matter what instrument it is. It doesn't matter what session you're trading. It matters whether or not you actually have a rinse and repeat money-making trading setup. Pump and dump, or dump, coil, and pump. We have the front side of a move, and we have the back side of the move. Rinse and repeat is the same behaviors over and over and over again, regardless of the instrument. It can be an index, it can be a currency, it can be an energy. and it can be a metal. But when we're hunting the opportunities and having a basket, we're just looking for the best setups as opposed to trading your favorite instrument every single day. Which instrument in the session that you're trading is going to offer you the 90-10 scalable rinse and repeat setup? 2 or 3 of these a week can significantly compound your trading account. And of course, we have our ACB templates that when signal days give us the ACB opportunity, scalable setups that aren't coming back. Holding till close, entry, stop loss, and a hold till close opportunity. Now, what's great about all these instruments, and obviously the indexes offer us fantastic opportunities in the US session, is that it's just simple concepts. Most markets that when they break out, they will break out, pull back, and continue, break out, reverse, and fail, or just stay range bound in a sideways trading range. Now, I'm hunting opportunities that obviously that when markets break out, they're going to do one of 2 things. Do we have a setup? Do we have a well-engineered template on the day, front side, back side of the week? Levels. Every trader has all the information available to them every single day. So we have high of day, low of day, high of month, low of month, high of week, low of week. We have a market in breakout. And now we have our timing window. This is a US-based index. US-based indexes open at 9:30 a.m. New York time. And then we either have a setup in the long direction, a setup in the short direction, or no setup at all. So when I say to traders, what setup are you hunting? I'm not trying to figure out little movements of bars. I'm sitting on my hands and waiting for the same rinse and repeat opportunities. Pump, boil, and dump, keeping things simple. So if I don't have a well-engineered setup, I'm not trying to figure out all the little movements in a little trading range. Do I have a rinse and repeat setup, or do I have a science project? There's going to be subtle variations in opportunities, but the same explosive trade setups recur over and over and over again, whether they are in the short direction or in the long direction. And then just understanding general market conditions that yes, they can be traded, but are they really opportunistic to a 90-10 scalable trade setup? Trying to catch a move inside of a volatile range is doable, but is it really scalable? Is it worth trading? Is it worth putting yourself in an environment just to catch a trade, to catch a move, where difficult to hold on to, difficult to put any size into, and just more of the compulsion that you want to get a trade? So coming back to a simple understanding, a mindset shift is I'm just hunting rinse and repeat setups. I'm not trying to trade every day and get every single move in a market. Yes, it's doable, but are you trying to trade every day, or are you hunting setups where it's easy to make a lot of money on? And repeating some simple concepts, you're either on the inside or you're on the outside. Now, every single trader coming to the screen each day has these levels in front of them. There is nothing hidden. We're not worried about all the little minutia inside. The scalable opportunities occur from the outside. See, the simpler you make things that are rinse and repeat and sitting on your hands until these setups present makes trading a pursuit of pleasure, as Paul Tudor Jones says. I'm not trying to read every little movement in the market and gaps, sweeps, hunts, all these other things. Just simple pump and dump opportunities, or dump and pump opportunities. Rinse and repeat on any instrument. And if you don't have that, sitting on your hands and waiting. The behavior of the trader is the most common reason most traders will fail. Engaging in self-sabotaging, random, impulsive trading that gets traders into situations that can put them on tilt. They can do damage, significant damage, rather than just hunting the same repeating setups, regardless of any instrument. 2 or 3 of these opportunities a week, rinse and repeat, entry, stop loss, and a hold till close opportunity can significantly compound traders' trading accounts. Profits into their accounts, rather than trying to catch every little swing and move in the market, taking opportunities that virtually you almost can't lose on, regardless of the instrument. We have the front side of a move, and we have the back side of the move. They can be a one-day trade opportunity, but the same repeating behaviors occur over and over and over again on any instrument. the instrument is irrelevant. The same behaviors occur over and over and over again. And if traders are just willing to sit on their hands and hunt these opportunities out, you're going to miss some, of course. But when you do identify the best scalable opportunities, or even just the opportunity for a session trade, it will culminate in one of two types of setups: dump and pump, or pump and dump into the timing window. And if you're not identifying a money-making setup and you're just trying to trade, well, those again are sometimes 50-50. Results can be inconsistent over time, and this is where traders will show some wins, some losses, but they never really get anywhere with their trading instead of hunting out the same setups over and over and over again, whether they're going in the short direction or the long direction, and then developing their expertise on managing their risk and identifying the scalable setups, but then also understanding the importance of locking in the money. What day of the week is it? Friday's the closing range of the week. I don't hold positions into the weekend, and the closing range will often be potentially profit taking or building positions into a weekend, or just consolidation as traders reset for the new coming week. It doesn't matter what instrument it is. The same behaviors happen again and again and again. The instruments are relevant. Rinse and repeat means hunting out the setups that are scalable, where it's easy to make money on, the days and the setups where it's easy to make money on, and doing nothing else in between. And so I repeat the question, what setup are you hunting? Because the same things are going to happen this coming week. Different instruments, same setups. Where are the scalable, easy money-making setups? Rinse and repeat. Continue to scale them up in size. So here's a question. This could be any market. If you found this particular setup once a week, every single week, and that's the only trade that you took, you could significantly compound your trading account. Now, you're obviously not going to get the same setup probably every single week, but you'll have similar variations on different instruments that rinse and repeat, whether they're session trades back to the high of the day, or they're going to go on a range expansion, offering traders a scalable opportunity because it's an ACB. It ain't coming back. It's a hold till close trade setup. Using higher time frame signal days to alert us to instruments that are potentially now going to offer us a scalable trade setup. And repeating that the instrument is irrelevant. We have a signal day, page 69 in the playbook, a basic simple signal day that alerts us to a potential instrument now setting up. We have two types of opportunities with the inside day: false break reversals or trend trade opportunities. Timings, levels, behavior of price, behavior of the trader. Pump, coil, and dump, or dump, coil, and pump. Opportunities that rinse and repeat, keep showing up again and again and again. And these allow traders sometimes to position themselves in the markets in a market that now may be going on a trend or a range expansion opportunity. And then recognizing when that range expansion may now potentially be offering traders in a new session and timing window the reversal into traders that are caught up high, buying high, chasing the trend. Signal days. And then what day is it in the Monday, Wednesday, Friday template? What setup do I have? What time is it? How is price behaving on the day? Significant scalable parabolic opportunities, front side, back side of the week. Day 1, day 2, day 3, reset. Day 1, day 2, day 3, the closing range of the week. Timings, levels, behavior of price, behavior of the trader. A simple basic model, universal entry, page 29 in the playbook. Just simple, repeatable, scalable setups. And in between, doing nothing else to damage the good results from well-engineered templates on the day. Day 1, day 2, day 3, reset. Day 1, day 2, signal day. Friday, day 3, the closing range of the week. Keeping things simple, sitting on our hands. So for traders who took this trade on Friday, doing nothing with copper potentially, in the New York session until Friday, the closing range of the week for a scalable range expansion trade setup opportunity. High-low, 100% expansion of the range, simple classical charting principles, dump, pump, 100% profit target, heading into the close of the weekend. Escalator, pump, pump, and pump, and instead of a reversal, an explosive trend trade opportunity. Signal day, outside day, bringing this up on traders' watch list. How does price set up into the timing window, closing out the week? Keep things simple, traders. What setups are you hunting? You make a lot of money on the days and the setups where it's easy to make money, and avoiding narrow, choppy range days where you can catch the move and grab this and grab that, or hunting setups that are scalable, that rinse and repeat. Keep it simple, keep it scalable, keep it repeatable, and may the markets go with you.